I've just literally joined the server of Redwood Prison. Today I'm going to show you how to escape. So we're going to be up. Which shall we be? Who shall we be? Prisoner or police? Comment down below. I'm just going to go for a police now. I mean, yeah, I'm going to go for police. So yeah. Oh, it's too full. I'll have to go with prisoner then. Right, I'm a prisoner now. So yeah. Oh, there's a police there. He's gonna shoot us. Please don't shoot us, man. Please don't shoot us. Ah, I'm hiding. Don't kill me, I'm jokes. I'm not scared. No. Yeah, no. I need to escape. Ah. So much gunshots going on here, guys. He hasn't even touched me yet. And I'm like literally right here.
What does it say up there? Stop for a second.
Oh, yo, there's a savage, bro. Yo, look at that camera. He's a savage. Yo, what are we doing? Where we going? What? Yeah, bro. Let's go, baby. Out the prison. Let's go to them, lad. Ooh, let's see if we can get inside. Let's see. No. Yes, I escaped. Oh, yeah, I escaped. Yo. Oh, they killed me. Oh, man. I'm back at the lobby again. So, yeah. It's going to be fun trying to escape again. Oh, it's going to take too long. Pressure, man. Pressure. Oh, we need to go back to J Block. Guards? The guards? Hey, schools, let me... Why am I not... Go that way. Go back. That's my cousin. He's such a whoopit.
How are you a whoopit?
It's his birthday tomorrow, so yeah. I might get him a new Ferrari. Cause we're the Dobre brothers and we do backflips. Cause we are the Dobre brothers and we do backflips. No, help me. We're the Dobre brothers. What are you doing? Please help me. I'm gonna escape. No, we died, guys. Oh, right. We're gonna keep on trying until we escape. So yeah. We lit every day, bro. We lit. Oh, we lit.
That's recording you now.
I know, we lit. Oh, we lit. Dab on them haters, bro. That's what we do. We dab on haters. Any haters want to try and mess with us? Cause we're the haters. They're not no haters. Cause we do it every day like the haters. We the haters, baby. We're Dobre brothers, bro. Haters. Haters keeping hating. Why they always hating? Y'all? Haters. Yo, I want to go that way. I want to go that way. Turn. Yo, let it go. Yo, why the haters always keep on going, y'all? She did. Yo. Oh, it's my cousin there. He's having a seizure. He's always coughing. Down the...
3, 2, 1.
Bye, guys, and I'll see you next time. Like up the video and subscribe. Bye.